Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my kitchen, it's Niko. How have you all been? Yeah, me too. It's been a really fucking weird time lately. COVID-19, it's all happening. Currently been working from home. Can't really leave the house unless we need to, and I think everyone should be practicing that too. It's been a really interesting adjustment, but look, fortunate enough that I've got a safe place to stay. I have a job for now. So yeah, counting my blessings, but a lot of people are doing it really tough. Anyway, I have decided today I'm going to make sausage rolls. Yeah, so it's got pork mince, sausage mince, onion, zucchini, carrot, Worcestershire sauce, tomato sauce or ketchup for those in the United States, and garlic, and some, I think, puff pastry. So what I'm going to do is super easy. I have prepared the ingredients and I'll just kind of go through what I've done with each thing as I do it. Recipe will be in the comment section under my video, okay? So firstly, onion. Now I've grated that. You can either grate it or you can finely chop it. Do it as fine as you like, but the finer probably the better. Make sure after you do that, squeeze out as much liquid as you can. So I've done this with the zucchini as well. The zucchini, I've grated it, I've done a really fine grate, and I've squeezed the liquid out. So pop that in. Again, well, the quantities are gonna be in there, so I'm not gonna go into them too much. Also some carrot, same thing, squeeze out the liquid. Then we have got garlic. Also got the Worcestershire sauce. And so basically what you want to do is you want to just mix it all up. Oh, love that. Love that. Now before I forget, I've preheated the oven to 210 fan-forced. This recipe says that if it's a non-fan-forced oven, do it at 220. But again, depending on the recipe that you choose, it's going to be slightly different. Now I've had these puff pastry sheets in my freezer for a while, so they're looking a bit manky, but tough times, guys, tough times. I've lightly beaten an egg. And it says to basically, oh shit, you meant to cut it in half first. Whoops, sorry. So, cut your sheet in half, like I just didn't do. Then you get the egg wash, or if you've just done what I did. Now, what you're meant to do, just get one of these out. So it says to basically get some of the filling and, whoops, put it on one half. Make it consistent as possible. So you put it to one side, and the idea is that you want to kind of roll it over, and you want the join to be at the bottom if possible. And now you want to basically I'm just going to cut off these ends because they're kind of gross. And I might even put a little bit more egg wash just to join it all up a little bit more. I think it says to cut it into 3 pieces. And then you put them on a non-stick tray. Again, if you've got sesame seeds, pop them on top. If not, put them in the oven. Recipe says 20 to 25 minutes. So let's see how that works out. Welcome back. It's been 25 minutes. I've got some wine. Hold on. Oof. All right. Yep, she done. I reckon they are good. Yum! Wow! They look like sausage rolls. Gee, these are looking great. Some of them popped up. Now, do you know why? Because in the instructions, in the method, it actually says to make sure both of the joins are kind of at the bottom. Stops that from happening. So, kind of fucked up there, but it's only 3, whatever. I'm gonna have to let these cool down because they're gonna be really hot. But yes, I was just, oh shit. Guess it's not so non-stick after all. Let's have a look. Yeah, okay, right, that's annoying. Whoops. Anyway. So yeah, basically, so I got some wine. I've been having house party chats with some of my friends, and I was chatting to my friend Erin Nazanin. My friend's Erin Nazanin, and Erin, love her to death. She's very high spec, and she was kind of just like casually mentioning conversation, like, oh, you know, I just got like a really nice Tempranillo, and I'm like, I don't know what that is. Like, I know it's wine, but I just don't know. I had to Google it afterwards. It's a type of grape. There you go. Like, I've just got fucking Shiraz. Feel very basic. Anyway, kind of thought to myself, you know, quarantine could be a really good way, or the self-isolation could be a great way to learn some new things, because if I can casually bring up Tempranillo in a conversation, doing well. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have to, I don't know how we're gonna maneuver this, but I've well and truly underestimated this. At least the base is still there, but yeah, not great. Not great, Nick. It's not your best hour. Oh, okay. No, it's fine. This is fine. Good. So, let's give this a quick taste test. Sip wine first. Okay. What are we doing? Oh, fuck. Oh. Well, it was good until it dropped in the sink. These are nice. Oof. Oh my god, that went down the wrong way. Oof. Anyway, yeah, nice recipe. Working well. I would potentially put a little bit more garlic in it next time. But pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll have another video up soon. See you later.